Because right now, if I have to go for internship, I can get internship right now. But if I'm finding a job, it is very difficult.
Shagun chose Dubai over Canada, a decision most students would not make. And today, she has made her own independent life right here in Dubai. But the bigger question is, was Dubai really a better choice? Or are there trade-offs that you only discover when you move here? So let's hear her experience to understand the bitter and the sweet. And if you are looking to study in Dubai, don't make your decision before you hear this.
सो बढ़िया यार अकोमोडेशन देगा हमने दोनों का डीएमयू का स्टोरी भी सुना है आई थिंक यू आर वेरी हैप्पी विद डीएमयू आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट साइन
Very much like struggle. You're coming from India and you're leaving your old friends and family.
आपकी दीदी तो यहीं पे है बट वेयर इज योर सिस्टर
She lives in near city.
शी लिव्स नियर सिलिकॉन so you were basically that is why you had
We're still living with them
Yeah.
for 2-3 months because I wanted to see how's the things and was. So yeah, after that I had to shift because
but they were near academic city you didn't prefer a university in the academic city no but I think this is much better knowledge park is so much better as I realized I went to academic city and it took us a lot of time to get there also it seemed a lot remote the campuses are
it is like inside.
yeah
First of all,
and campuses are very big
yeah.
but facilities are not I mean you have residential we went to BITS Dubai we went to University of Birmingham very nice campus but I don't think it's too far away from the main action where things are there
आपको पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट बहुत दूर तक
जाना होगा
आपको टैक्सी करना पड़े या फिर यूनिवर्सिटी की शटल ही आपको ले जा सकती है
and हमने वहाँ पे partitions देखे मतलब I think it is
पैरेलल
It happened.
as I have not we don't have to actually go but हाँ I think good thing is at least फायर में वर्क कर रहा है इस जगह पे वैसा नहीं है हम लोग ने पर एकेडमिक सिटी के पास में पार्टीशंस देखे मतलब द गाय वाज पेइंग 1,700 dirhams for a इतने एरिया में तो उसमें 4 लोग रह रहे होंगे
या
right and of course they had a decently big kitchen where they could share but and it was like cleaning was also part of it so it was clean but I think this is so much more space यहाँ पर सांस तो आ रही है ना तो and I think that's a very important factor that you know finding the right accommodation in Dubai I believe is one of the biggest challenges for students बाकी आप लोग अपना थोड़ा बताओ कि हाँ कुछ जॉब सोच रहे हो
I'm trying for like jobs. I'm trying for internships also wherever it is possible. I have tried in HSBC also in my sister's company.
right
And my brother-in-law is doing law. He's also in a good company. He's in BISC. So I can get an internship, but not job. But like receptionist and all, like starting whatever we can do. But after that, it's on God's hand.
God's hand but you build your skills of course you know you can then improve and keep going up and what is the salary expectations that you guys believe you will be able to get in Dubai research नहीं किया है?
मिनिमम 5,000 के तो रहता ही अब
What's the speed? I don't know exactly what I got to know from my sister point of view. She said 2,500 is the basic. When you get good promotions, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
This is for what kind of roles?
like normal starting job that it's fresher
Pressures.
so like your department
Right. So these are more like entry level jobs.
yes
Maybe not. I mean, for like if you're doing an MBA, then you would. What? Maybe not for your MBA, but it's like just a general job right now that you're talking about.
after MBA you can get 5,000 6,000 7,000
So once you complete, then you can get more pay.
yeah
Because right now, if I have to go for internship, I can get internship right now. But if I'm finding a job, it is very difficult. For us, first, we are doing MBA right now because our first model has just got over. I was trying my level best. I should get a job. People are saying you won't get a job until you do internship.
And
First, internship is much better than job first because you will get experience and then you will get a certificate also. After that, you can do the job.
you can do it all. So internship is important. Finding an internship, you are lucky. You have 2 people who can, also get you references and get you try and find opportunities. Help your friends as well to find that similar opportunities as well. But yes, I think a good thing is that you are making friends. So somebody else will have different opportunities that they can possibly offer, and that can result into. So networking again Another very important
Networking
factor.
is most important.
Yeah.
Like
And how many students are there in your MBA class?
70?
60, 70.
60, 70, which other people will be coming in Jan and May.
More people will join in Jan and Tay. And
Right now, it is like 30, 40,
30, 40,
30, 36, 40.
36, 40. So, and is everybody from India or people are there from other countries?
So the biggest.
Which other countries are?
China.
China, okay.
It
And
has
China is.
more.
So mainly China and India, 2 countries. And maybe Pakistan, yeah. Pakistan would be there. So of course Indian subcontinent. Right. Understood.
एक्चुअली अभी MBA कोर्सेज में आपको इंडियंस, चाइनीज एंड पाकिस्तानीज दिखेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप अभी देख रहे हो फाउंडेशन कोर्सेज में आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कल्चर्स के आपने जैसे यूनि में देखे थे वो फाउंडेशन कोर्सेज और बैचलर्स में मिल जाते हैं.
फाउंडेशन और बैचलर्स में ज्यादा डाइवर्सिटी है.
अभी आ रही
Very intake is going to start.
राइट.
So after that, more people will come.
बहुत people.
बिकॉज कनाडा जैसे ही क्लोज हुआ है
Yes.
इंडिया
And America.
Canada, हाँ, yes.
डाइवर्ट हुए दुबई विद दूसरी कंट्रीज के भी स्टूडेंट्स अब दुबई
Dubai, yeah. I know a lot of students जो UK से पढ़ने के बाद they are coming to.
या
Because people are saying it is going to be gone. University.
आप ड्यूरिंग द स्टडीज जॉब नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आफ्टर आपकी जब स्टडी खत्म होती है आपको जॉब अच्छी मिल जाती है.
So I mean, of course, yesterday we were when I met you at DMU, there was the student that I met.
Yeah.
He studied in UK for 2 years and then moved for his 3rd year to Dubai.
Wow.
Because and also doing law. So I will connect him to you. So you can connect him to your brother-in-law.
Right.
He's also looking for some opportunity. Very sharp guy, very nice student. So, but also doing law. So you maybe. So that's how connections happen. Jasraj, I'm going to help you connect with Bashagun and she will further help you out, hopefully. But yes, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, sharing your viewpoints and showing us your house so that you guys can understand 2,500 dirham approximately, but you have to buy some appliances maybe of your own. And if you share this with 2 people, you can actually make it very, very affordable. So that's a way to look at living costs. We are right next to the metro station. We walked from, like you saw. So it's very close to public transport. If you're studying in Knowledge Park, you can take the train directly to your Knowledge Park. And if you're there in Academic City, then you can actually still go to Center Point and then go from there and take another bus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very hard. Yeah. Yeah, we did that. We did that trip. So if you want to see the whole journey from central Dubai to Academic City, you can also check out on the YouTube channel. And to hear about more such, stories of students who are building their futures in different countries. If you want to know more, then subscribe to our channel. And if you still have any questions left, put them in the comments and I will answer all those comments for you. And I will, if you need to connect with these guys, find them out on LinkedIn and please help. Yeah, or Instagram, yes. But thank you everybody. And that was great. Thanks for sharing all this time. And I will see you all in the next video. So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.